In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com and Quickley integration. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. This is your starting point for integrating your favorite tools and streamlining your workflow. Once you're on Monday.com, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see an option to log in. Go ahead and click that. If this is your first time signing in, you'll be prompted to log in using Google or an email address that's connected to your Monday.com account. Make sure you have access to these credentials before you get started. For those of you who have logged in before, you'll be automatically directed to your Monday workspace, where all your projects and team communications reside. This is your dashboard, your control center if you will, where you can manage all aspects of your work. Next, let's head over to the marketplace. To do this, click on the dotted square icon you'll find again in the upper right corner. The marketplace is where you'll discover a variety of apps that can enhance your productivity and automate various tasks. In the search bar of the marketplace, type in Quickley. This is the app we're looking to integrate today. Once you locate Quickley in the search results, go ahead and click on it to begin the installation process. You'll then be asked to select which workspace you want to associate the app with. This helps ensure all your team members have access to the tools they need within the relevant projects. Now you might wonder why Quickley is a great choice for integration. Well, Quickley simplifies customer engagement and can significantly boost your sales. It acts as a single window chat interface that consolidates communications from social media, messengers and live chat all into one streamlined view. To further augment your communication capabilities, you'll want to install your messaging app and connect it through Quickley within Monday.com. By doing this, you can view and manage all your messages in one centralized location, allowing for seamless interactions with your customers and team members. Integrating Quickley is a great way to bring all your communications into one unified platform, making it easier to maintain focus and efficiency. This integration truly transforms how you manage customer interactions, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks and that responses are timely and accurate. And there you have it. By following these steps, you will have successfully integrated Quickley with your Monday.com setup, enhancing your workflow, boosting your productivity, and making customer engagement a breeze. Give this integration a try and see how it can streamline your operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Until next time.